Ben, our friend, is going to have.
Keep it more.
Yeah. He's going to eat.
You need to see what is inside dosa. Like,
So there's something inside it. Okay, you have to explore inside.
Oh. It's a potato
So
stuffing.
you have to take the potato, put it together, then dip it together. Huh? Masala.
Yeah, that's awesome.
I don't know if I'm supposed to go in here.
Yeah, that's the hidden part. You know, that's explore.
Oh my god, I'm gonna get fat. Oh my god, that is delicious. Oh yeah,
Like
I
this?
love it. Yeah. Oh my god, that's what could not be better about. Yeah. What else can be better about? All right, well let's tear in. Everybody enjoy.
Oh, you want to try this before eating this one?
I wanted you to try this. We have more food for you. By the time you reach US, back to Florida, you are going to have a lot of experience.
I'm gonna probably not want anything my wife ever cooks again.
Ben,
Try this.
take a piece of this thing and dip it.
Here, try this. Okay, so take it.
Piece of this.
Yeah. Dip it over here.
Grab decent
Yeah,
amount.
a little bit of.
Even more.
No, more of it.
Oh, wait a minute. Let me try it. Dressing.
It's a food tourism. I'm loving it. We will make sure that he becomes a food fan.
Dip it. Oh yeah, tissues. So out of 3, which one do you prefer the
Yeah.
most?
1, 2, 3.
I think I would go 1, 2, 3.
Awesome.
Only because of the stuff inside of it is so good. Oh yeah. This is fantastic. Thank you guys.
Can you see how it has been, put together?
Hers has been put together far better.
Yeah. We will share this thing, but not the stuff inside.
Oh, why does she have stuff inside?
It is called plain dosa. This is called masala dosa.
Oh,
The
okay.
stuffing inside is called masala.
Masala.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's cooked with potatoes, mustard, and and onion together. They make the mesh and then put it together.
I'm a huge fan of onions, so anything cooked with onions, I'm all about it. The coconut is really good. That's very good. Okay, start from here. I don't understand how you actually get to it. I want to watch you guys.
So you start from here. Yeah.
Like this?
Yes.
Oh, like that.
You start from the middle.
Oh my god. That is so good. Oh my god, that's so good.